KPMG is collaborating with ServiceNow to create solutions across the healthcare patient and provider care continuum to improve the patient experience, enable better healthcare outcomes, improve the care team experience, and help reduce costs. In this session, we would like to share a demo of KPMG Provider Onboarding and Credentialing, a solution to modernize the provider onboarding and credentialing experience enabled by ServiceNow.
After accepting an offer, a newly hired physician begins their onboarding journey by visiting the ServiceNow Provider Onboarding portal. On the main landing page, we can see the various stages of the overall process: initiate onboarding, credentialing, privileging, enrollment, etc. In our case, our newly hired physician is in the credentialing stage. On the left side of the page, there's a link to My To-Dos, which are tasks the physician must complete in order to move the process forward. On the right, we can see specific announcements applicable to this particular stage we're in, the credentialing phase. Below, we can see more detailed description information about the current stage and next steps in the process. When we click on My To-Dos, we can see that there are two tasks for the physician to complete. The first is to upload a copy of the board license, the second to review the credentialing toolkit. Let's go ahead and upload a copy of the board license. So we'll go into the task, and then we can attach a file, and go ahead and upload this file and mark this as complete. In addition, we can also complete these tasks through the Now mobile onboarding app. In the Now mobile onboarding app, we can scroll down to My To-Dos, and we can see that the Review the Credentialing Toolkit task is here, and we can click on that and mark that as complete. Now let's switch gears and take a look at what happens behind the scenes. As an HR onboarding specialist, we can review our list of active onboarding cases and see that there's been a new case created for our physician. If we go ahead, we can see here at the top that our physician is currently in the credentialing phase with 4 out of 5 activities completed. As we scroll down, we can see that there is one open task for us to complete as the HR onboarding specialist before we can move this particular onboarding case to the next stage in the process. This task is to review and verify the board license. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we'll go ahead and view the board license. And after we've verified it, we scroll down, we can see that there's one open task for us to complete as a CPE or credentialing, privileging, and enrollment specialist. After refreshing our screen, we can see that this will complete the credentialing stage and move the case forward to privileging. In addition, we can move the board license to the physician's profile so it can be used in other processes going forward, such as sending an email notification when the license needs to be updated. Now you might be wondering, what happens if we need to update or make changes to this process? As the onboarding administrator, I can manage the lifecycle event and review all the different activities and tasks that need to be completed, be it by the employee or the onboarding team. Suppose I want to add a new task for the marketing team to update the physician's bio on the company portal during the enrollment phase. So first, I can go to the filter here, quickly check to see all the different tasks assigned to the onboarding team. And sure enough, I don't see a task for the marketing team. So I can click on Add Activity. From here, we can create a new task to update the physician's bio. We'll go ahead and make this a fulfiller activity, and we'll assign it to the marketing team. And then click Submit. If we refresh our screen, we'll see that a new task has been added for the marketing team to update the physician's bio. This change takes effect immediately, so any of our current new hires who are going through the onboarding process will automatically receive this new task. Changes like this usually take days, weeks, or even months to complete, but as you can see, we've done this in just a matter of minutes. Last but not least, within the ServiceNow platform, we can leverage dashboards and analytics to monitor and measure the overall onboarding process. So we go ahead, take a look here. We can click into our onboarding dashboard, and we'll see that there are a number of reports available to us. The first is a number of onboarding to-dos that have been started. On the right side, you'll see overdue onboarding to-dos that have started that are past their due date, and below we'll see active onboarding cases. We can see this information grouped by employees that are starting this week, employees who are starting next week, and employees who are starting later. In addition, we can monitor some of the metrics over time and see open onboarding cases for employees starting over the next 7 days and that trend, open onboarding cases who have yet to reach their day one, and we can also see the new hire satisfaction score. When we take a look at the new hire experience tab, we can also monitor the trend for number of onboarding cases and requests logged within the first 30 days, and we can also monitor employee turnover. With that, this concludes our overview of the KPMG Provider Onboarding Solution. For more information, please contact us by any of the following methods below. Thanks and have a great day.